The good old trusty steed. This thing is awesome though. We don't got enough stuff to even really use it. I put it to use though. On the way in, we put all the camping stuff on top there. We tarp it up, you know. Subaru for the win though. One time we went camping though with this thing, we had it like 2 feet high in the sky. Yeah. I'm gonna pause for a little bit later. Take. Let's check out this fire. Sunny, burgers? Burgers? Yeah. Burger time. It's burger time. Burger time. Look at that. That curled up pretty well. I'm gonna cut it here. I'm gonna start another video for the burger time. Alright, dude. I just said like a whole monologue and like stuff about me and my videos and how like you're only watching these videos because you think I'm a cool guy, something like that, but it wasn't even recording. Now it's recording. It might have like a 10-minute interval and it's gonna like cut it, you know, so maybe that's what happened. Still cooking burgers. I got all 4 burgers in there now. They're cooking slowly. I'm not in a rush or anything. I got the plates ready. The buns are just about ready. Kind of just like straightening up, cleaning up slowly, cooking those. So yeah, hopefully this vlog turns out well. I hopefully think I'm a cool guy because that's branches cracking or like, you know, maybe like just squirrels. There's nothing big, nothing I can see moving around. But you never know, you know? You never know, you know? Never know until you know. Maybe it's time to flip one of these burgers. I don't think so. I definitely think it needs more wood. Since I'm not preparing anything anymore, I'm gonna put the camera back. I wonder if it even got any of that preparing, because I was like, did you get that? There's any more wood in there. The wood's alright, but we still got a bit on the burger. I just rearranged the fire and we got a lot more heat and fire out of it. We only got like 4 logs left for tonight and tomorrow. We probably don't need any in the morning, but Yeah, we need more for tonight though. Enjoying the, be part of the vlog, you enjoying the trip? Give your experience of it. Dude, it's hot. Especially by that fire, it's hot. Burgers are done. I kind of just sped that process up. We didn't get any of that film on the cooking part. Let me finishing touch of it. I'm putting the bread on now. We're gonna burger it. I don't know if you hear that or not. It sounds like thunder pretty bad. I don't know if it's gonna hit us hard in the rain, so we're just like kind of. The camera into safety. Well, alright then. This is a pretty bright light. I never realized how bright it was until now. I'm actually using it in the darkness. You can see me fairly well. You can see Sunny fairly well here. Oh, dude, it's so hot out there. It's started pouring rain. We're just like chilling in the car. We're watching actually Warcraft. Pretty good movie. It's pretty interesting actually. So I just want to check in very quick. What do you think, Sonny? He thinks alright. I'm like behind camera yet, really. That light is very bright, but yeah, it's really good though. It works. Alright, well, we're gonna get back to the movie. We're just like chilling out. Pouring rain. I don't know if you could hear it, but yeah, and plus it was like 95 degrees outside. It was kind of hot, so we had the AC going on. We don't got the AC anymore. We're just like chilling, you know. It's cooled off with the rain. So waiting for the rain to subside. Then we're probably going to the tent and chill out. All right, peace.